How to buy gift cards with Afterpay. Now, the process that you will be using if you're going to be trying to do this on your mobile phone or your laptop or PC is going to be the same. So since I'm using it, I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this video and just head directly to afterpay.com/ENUS. And here, for you to be able to successfully purchase a gift card, you must have an account. Now, if you already have an account, just automatically logged in and then choose any gift cards you want. Now, just simply search for any brands or products or specific stores which gift card you want. If you don't have any idea, just simply type in gift cards and you will be provided with multiple specific companies that has or offers gift cards. So say for example, we will be purchasing a gift card from the PSN. Now in here, if you're gonna be using the Afterpay web, then you can scan this code right here for you to be able to download the application if you're using your mobile phone. Just simply scan it and just download it. Now if you scroll down, they also have a specific steps on how to successfully purchase a gift card. So make sure that you have set up your payment method through the web so that you'll be shopping with no problems. And that's it. That's how you purchase gift cards with Afterpay.